My name is Stuart Loudon and I am Engineering and Transport Manager here at Tunnocks. The challenges that we face at Tunnocks on a daily basis are keeping our machines running to the highest level and obviously very smoothly with the help of Klüber Lubrication so that we can make enough biscuits to keep our customers happy. Klüber Lubrication supported us with this Project A because they have the same values as us. They want to strive to get the best out of what they can with their product, just exactly the same as us. So we had been trying to improve year on year, and working with Klüber Lubrication was a tremendous partnership. Maintenance and lubrication are so important to Tunnocks because we basically can't afford to have any of our machines down. We wrap caramel wafers and tea cakes at very high numbers. Hopefully we still have a tremendous relationship with Klüber Lubrication. We hope that both companies are still here in the next 150 years.